The one thing about Swagelok is what we do, we try and do in an excellent way. 6-7 years ago, we installed a reliability excellence program. When you look at the process industries, where reliability excellence really was born and has been, in a lot of ways, perfected, that model of never letting equipment go down, trying to understand what the failures are, is the model that we've employed in a job shop. We're one of the few companies that takes that approach in this type of manufacturing environment. We have a mantra that we want our equipment to be as reliable as our products and services. Our predictive maintenance program is growing and has grown over the last several years. The fundamental core is you're trying to predict instead of repair. You can go into a machine and look at what's happening, and what you do is you compare it to what was happening before. And if you see changes, you try and answer the question, why did it change? And how much more will it change? And really what you're trying to do is prevent an unplanned event by taking care of it in a planned way.